Yo, what's up, guys? So, today I'm going to teach you how to create a student account on Schoology. So, to do that, the first thing you need to do is go to this website, schoology.com. So, I'm going to leave the link of this website on the description below. So, you can go directly here on this website. So, if you put your cursor on the sign up link, you can see that you can create three types of accounts. So you have here instructor, student, and parent. So since this tutorial is focused on creating student account, we're going to click student. Okay, so before you can proceed, your teacher, instructor, or professor should have sent you an access code that is actually specific to your course or subject. So in this case, I have created a dummy instructor account and created a dummy course which has this code. And we're gonna click on continue. So you'll just have to provide what is being asked here. So let's have tone works. We have email here, 17 at gmail.com. Let's create a password. Yeah. And then birthday. Well, this is not actually my birthday, but just let's put something in here. So to be realistic, let's have 1995. Okay, no, 95. No. Okay. Click that. By clicking register, you're agreeing to our privacy policy. Okay, and then click register. Okay. So there you have it.